What's up everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. In this brief one, I'm going to show you how to get Google One free subscription. Many regions offer a free trial from 1 to 2 months so you can test AI features before paying. Just go to the Google One website and then tap Start Free Trial and follow the on-screen steps. After the trial, or if you skip it, confirm your payment method, then tap subscribe, and you'll have them full access to the AI premium tools. And also in some regions, for example, USA, college students can get Google One AI Premium for free or discounted for a period of time if they sign up with their student email and verify eligibility. Terms vary and may be time limited, so be careful. And also some mobile plans like Verizon in the US let you add Google One AI Premium as a pre-month perk at a lower price, like $10 a month through your wireless plan. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.